If you want to know everything about Ted's Woodworking, if the program is really good, if it has a money-back guarantee, stay with me until the end of the video because I will clarify all your doubts. But first of all, I can already tell you that the program is excellent. There is nothing like it on the market. Pleasure. My name is Brian, and the first important information is that Ted's Woodworking is a program that is making a huge success, and I want to leave a very important alert about it because many people are taking advantage of its fame to sell fake programs in other sites that is not the official site. And this is something very serious and that you need to pay attention to not end up being damaged, and to help you I will leave here in the video description the official site of Ted's Woodworking for you to access safely. The program was created by Ted McGrath, a master, certified woodworker and trainer, absolute reference in the area. Ted's Woodworking is the largest collection in the world, providing incredible 16,000 woodworking plans, but the secret is that the program teaches absolutely simple ways to accomplish all this, no matter what your current skill level is. It will teach you step by step in a simple and didactic way. There are more than 500,000 extremely satisfied customers with the program, because there is nothing else like it on the market. Ted's Woodworking is something unique. You will receive instant access to all 16,000 projects, lifetime free monthly plans, 150 premium woodworking videos, and a complete guide with more than 200 exclusive pages. Another important piece of information is that Ted's Woodworking has a 60-day money-back guarantee. Exactly that. If during 60 days of use you don't like the program for any reason, you will get all your money back. Just send an email with no questions asked and you will get your money back immediately. This is more than a guarantee, this is a promise, so that your investment is absolutely risk-free. 24-hour support is also provided all week long. So yes, you can trust the product, because Ted's Woodworking is good. Unlike anything else on the market, it will provide you with amazing projects that can be realized in a simple and practical way. All customers have had excellent results with the program, and so will you. So, I prepared this video first to inform you about the care regarding the site you are going to buy Ted's Woodworking. Also, if you buy the program, study well the projects and the amazing classes, because you will be able to start quickly and operate successfully. I really hope that this video has helped you, and I am sure that Ted's Woodworking will satisfy you completely.